Alright everyone, here's another update. Got the new water pump on there, coolant pump, whatever you want to say. Swapped out the spark plugs. What's in there? Gonna be cleaning off some of this stuff, gunk on here. Pull this off, the injectors, clean these off with the carburetor cleaner, and yeah, I think it's time to start putting stuff back together. Oh wait, I do have to clean this up before start buttoning it up, and should be good. Fingers crossed. I was about to actually I'm gonna start pulling this off, the injectors, getting it fixed and cleaned out, and reassembling. I gotta clean some of this up first. So I'll check back in with you in a little bit. Ladies and gentlemen, another update. I took out these injectors right here. I have them sprayed down in that tiny box. You can see it's all wet. Just letting them kind of soak. Get all the gunk off. Clean whatever's in there, if anything. Can't tell right now. Just have this little bit of gasket here to clean up. I just cleaned all of this morning. As you can see, it is practically brand new. As soon as I get that done, just look up as you can see. Stuff fell down when I moved the injectors. I cleaned up a bit. But yeah, guys, it is almost time to get wrapping up. This is the passenger side. I wrote a P on there. See, I sprayed them down. You can see what that stuff just came out. So let that one clean. Do it for another minute or two. Here's the carburetor cleaner. I'll just put it on there. When I start buttoning it up, I'll do another update. Probably put them all together if I'm doing short videos. Alright, see y'all later.